Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to unlink Instagram from TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to unlink Instagram from TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone. And on this interface, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon available for us at the bottom right corner. Tap on profile. And on this interface, you can see there is the edit profile button available for us over here just beside the share profile. Tap on edit profile, and then this kind of interface will appear where you can see your social media accounts. I have linked my Instagram and YouTube. Now in order to unlink the Instagram account from TikTok, tap on the Instagram like this, guys, and this kind of interface will appear where it says your Instagram link will be removed from the profile. Now in order to proceed to unlink your Instagram from TikTok, tap on confirm over here, and then your Instagram account will be removed or unlinked from TikTok. And there, guys, this is how to unlink Instagram from TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.